What's up, guys? Remy J here. So we're going to take a look at today's trade recap, and we're going to analyze the trade that we took this morning on the Dow Jones. So right now we're looking at the 1 minute chart on the Dow Jones. This session over here is showing us the London and the Asian session, with the New York session being right here. This is the open of the New York session. So what happened was we had a beautiful rejection right here. This is the 5 minute chart. Price came all the way down here and rejected beautifully. And then after we saw that rejection, that liquidity zone get hit, we saw price start to form and engulf immediately this candlestick right here. So when we have the liquidity zone hit and we have that rejection pattern, we entered right here with our stop being just below, and we originally had entered for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, correct? As price shot up today, I did something interesting and I took it a little bit of risk off, and I lowered my risk when it was around here, and boom. Basically, that was my target for today. It's how I made $1,500 trading the Dow Jones today. So if I'm going to run you through my thought process on this trade, right? So first, when we look at the daily chart, right, and we see that overnight price made this low. So this is signifying the low of the London and the Asia session. So then when we look at the chart, right, and we see price open up, target the low, create this closure candlestick, breaking the high of the previous candlestick. So that's a rejection off the liquidity, the rejection off the London low liquidity. Remember, there's always liquidity sitting above highs at the highs and the lows of the market. So when we see this liquidity come up, easy peasy, entered here, 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and profit $1,500 to get this trade. So it's very simple. So I either trade rejection or long or shorts off of liquidity zones on session or daily highs and lows, or I trade the orb strategy. It's basically, those are my basically two bread and butter strategies that always pay me out really good, that have a high win rate for me. So if you guys want to see the trade live, make sure you check out my Instagram, you check out my TikTok for NJ Trades. I upload every single trade live on those accounts, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with a friend.